Hello, IK here. Welcome to adding price to table articles. We need price. If we want our catalog to be ready for a basket, we need a price. And after that, basket. And of course, we need search. And in this video about price, how to add field or column price in table uh, article. Here it is. I ask it. I ask it ChatGPT, and here it is. Alter table, add column price, formatting in decimal, type of decimal, 10, base 10, and 2 decimal places, like any price. Okay, default is 0.00. And I copy it, Control C, and going here in example PHP my admin, and click on eRetail, my database, click on SQL, and Control V, it's all, and down, button go. And after that, table article, there is a field price. Here it is, article. Here it is, article. Where is, look at price. Here is column price. All article what exists is 0.00, and with update. And now, when I have price, I must go in admin, e-retail admin application, because in admin we have update and we have CRUD, create, read, update, delete, and we can and we must install in build price in admin, and after that I can update price in admin. Here it is interesting, after intervention in admin, that prices is visible here in public, e-retail public. When I now in public, okay, where we need replace, when we need intervene, it is in backend, where we write coding every field of article. Now we must write field of price. Okay, and our application now, it is public application, now have price. What we changes in admin, this is prices. Okay, I can go in admin, open admin application, and see where we must intervene to that price would be visible here in home is, it is article list, it is a home page. When we click in category 1, it is category articles also priced visible. Category articles and the single here is price visible. in three backend, because all that tree is also state in Redux. And in backend, we must write coded price. Okay, let's get C in admin. It is e-retail admin application. I must close this backend of public application. Control C. Control C in, and you see we are stop work of backend of public. Now is of course stopped application, and I instead of this admin and backend, instead of public, I must open admin. File open recent. You see, first two is public, my backend, and e-retail public. Now I need my backend from a retail admin. Here it is. And now shift and click in Visual Studio Code. And now double click file, open recent, open recent. I opened the backend, it is first one, admin backend, and now I must open e-retail admin. Here it is, e-retail admin. Here it is, application e-retail admin. Here is backend Express application, and node server.js. Enter. It's okay. Now start our application. It is npm start, and now we will see. Here it is. It is interested for us is articles. Add article, update, delete. Okay, here I can update price, for example, only price. Here it is, and now update. Here it is, price. But we are here to see where we must intervene about price. In code, look at, it is about article. I want to see, there is a lot of about article here, root about article. And I must see what we need. I must see backend for article list. It is what we see in home when it is home. Article list. I'm going to article list. Article list. Article list is here. Article list. And find image, find use effect. use scroll, handle update, article excerpt, article excerpt, article excerpt. Here it is. No, it is endpoint about it is update article form. Here it is. Dispatch fetch articles. It is dispatch tank fetch articles. And now I'm going in article slice, and find fetch article. Here it is. It is delete, but every time it is about articles, fetch article, tank. Look at endpoint address. Look at articles after hypertext transfer protocol. Address, we have the parameter articles. Now we know what to search in backend. Here it is, backend articles. Not department, no, not category, article root. Here it is, get articles. And now when you look at select from article, here is the result. Here it is something other. Okay, we take, it is about get, about tank fetch articles. And here is a note, we don't need, this is query, and we don't need write price because all fields from article would be called. And it means that back in tank function, it is here, tank function, article fetch articles. Also, response data, it is a complete row by row, every row in table articles with all columns. It means with all fields. It is, let's go to down in case about get fetch articles. It is JS. Now we go to articles. Yes, article slice. It is article slice. Fetch article. We must go down to extra. Here it is in reducer. Here in add case fetch articles. When it is fulfilled, we have a state, action, succeeded, and action payload. In this action payload is all articles. in action payload is all articles. It means we don't need naming separate field. And after this is action dispatched to Redux store. And after Redux store, it is visible in article list. Article list. Article list. We have article excerpt, and in article excerpt return, we have article name, ID, strong article ID, article description, etc. Here is a price. Here is a price. Article price. Here is article price. Okay. And all other fields, what we need here. It is admin. It is admin, not confused. We have two applications, public e-retail and admin e-retail. Here is all field. We need all field. Here is the image. All that we need in article list. Article list. And here it is. We first time see article price. Here it is. Article price here. Of course, it is to be visible in user interface. This is JavaScript expression, JavaScript XML, and this is UI, user interface, and all fields is here. Okay, it is for one circle for article list. One circle for article list. Article list, and so we must see where we need article price more. Of course, in update, we need in update article form. In update article form, we have to see price, update article, look at, here it is, price, in update form, update article form. Yeah, in add article form also, add article form. Add article form. We need the price. Image, article price. You see, article price. Article price. Okay, it is step by step. We need article price in add article, add new article, and field, we must see field in that form, update form, but delete we delete all row together with all fields. We don't need intervent. And read is fetch. It is article list. Articles list is about read. We read articles list. It is crude. Read, delete, and in add form, we must see add article. We must have field for enterprise to enter, and it go to backend, and from backend go in database, and in update also update field for price, and that go to backend, and from backend to MySQL. And we have back information back in replace data. Response data. Response inform us about process, does it okay, status, etc. And give a payload if the payload exists. It is about price. And now when we intervene here in backend, and we can add price, update price, delete, record, delete article in database. Now we also must include in public application that price. But in public application, we include only in user interface visible. We cannot, in public, we cannot update. It is not CRUD. It is only read of the CRUD. There is no update. There is no add new. It is all in admin, and there is no delete. But there is a read. We must, when we click on something, we must see it on the user interface. And for that, must go information and must go request. Every click means request something from database. Okay, now I'm going back to public application. Because of that, you must learn slowly. You must repeat. You must obviously have and use pen and paper, a white paper for learning this, because there is a lot of detail, and you must always have panoramic, a big image of your coding, It means where information starts, what does admin, and what does public part. Okay. Now again, I must open a public recent, and it is first two places admin and the backend of admin. Now retail public and backend of public. And in second, here it is admin, file, recent, open recent. It is, I need, here it is retail public. Here it is retail public. I work in separate backend. I created separate backend because of conscious about two backend and two separate application. but we can connect. We practically they used one backend because we need same query, same backend for both application need same backend. For example, fetch articles we need in public and in admin fetch articles. But about deploy, about public, how to deploy public and backend, it is for later story when we finished our e-commerce. Now it is important that in description below every video you have admin and you have public separate. My backend application is inside every of application. When we download, when we clone, when you clone public application, you clone also inside them separate application, my backend, and you must open my backend, and you must open and start node server.js, and after that start a public application npm start. And before all of that, you must start XAMPP database, MySQL database, in XAMPP control, start Apache and start MySQL, MySQL. Somebody said it. Okay, and you work, does it. You're doing it every day again and again. Start MySQL, start server backend, start front end public. After that, when you need, you close that application, you jump and open admin, also admin and my backend, start my backend application. After that, start admin application, and always like that because that you know what you do with what you have a job with the MySQL database, with the front end it is React, and back end it is Express, and every day like that, and very concentrated in that, only that opening and prepare for coding. You need concentration, and that repeating and repeating is learning. But when you, I don't see that you need coding. In my book and now in my courses in this video in YouTube, I didn't code. You didn't see coding, and it is. I don't see now reason for coding. I code application now. This complete coding ChatGPT for me. I am some kind of project manager. I lead what to do. I prompt AI, prompt chat GPT, and ChatGPT excellent coding, and all what you see in now in public part of e-commerce, e-retail, And admin part, every detail coding chat GPT. We are now in, I must start this NPM. NPM start. And here in public, we need different network errors. I must see what I opened. At first, I look at, okay, Apache and MySQL is green, it is working. Now start here. Here I have two, in Visual Studio 2 application. Look at here, it is backend, my backend not connected. Look at, here it is. I must connect it. It is my backend, look, public. It is public, my backend must control. Now node server.js. Here it is, port 5000, connected as ID 54. Now connect this side, update compiled successfully. I don't need reconnect. And here it is, all is okay, visible. Look at here. I have departments up always, and when I click in apartment electronics, category for department, but home page is visible complete department, top, horizontal, left is category, all category for all departments. At this moment there is only one, and the right articles. It is principal state, departments, category, articles, what we have in our application. And here is article list. We can see price. We can about add to basket in next video. And we can search also in some of next video. And but this is article list. This is departments list, category list, article list. When I click in category 1, we have only articles for category 1. Only articles for category 1. And I call it category articles. And you must intervene in category articles. It is separate state. And you must intervene in category articles, also add price. It means home, need price, article list. A category article, need price, intervene price. And article, single article, here is the price. It is 3 state. Where you state, every state there is a user interface. There is and that user interface must see price. Also here you must go price coming from database. At first backend, it is price is part of data. Price is every article, there is a price, and when we fetch article, we fetch all fields of every article. But here is interesting that we need in 3 places that we have three state: department, category, department list, category list, and article list. When we must see that. And here is a category article, must have a price, and single article must have a single article, single component must have price. Okay, it is all about price. What we add now in this video, I talk about adding price in table article, and intervene in code where we need that the price would be visible, that price can be updated, add together with all other data of article. Thank you for watching this video.